Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Hope you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and hope you already have been watching my playlist available in the YouTube channel. So I have decided to show you an unboxing video about this dash camera video card DVR. So yesterday I brought it for my car. So I'm going to show you what are the basic specifications about this dash camera and what's inside the box. Okay, let's go to the video, but before that please remember to subscribe for my channel and click the bell button down there if you want to get the latest notifications about my videos. And also please, if you have anything to ask, do comment in the comment section. Okay, let's go for today's video. Right, okay, I'm going to unbox it, but before that I'm show you the available details in the box. So this is a full HD 1080p dash camera. Here you can see they have mentioned in the box, and as we can see there should be only two cameras, but I bought it because there is a 3-channel camera. That means there should be three cameras. One is selfie camera, one is rear camera, and the other one is front camera. Let's see, but we cannot see in those details in here. We are seeing only two cameras, and also here you can see some other details they have mentioned very briefly. This has a full HD video recording capability, so 4-inch HD display, 170 degrees wide angle, the camera will be covered, and the rear view, the loop recording, and G sensor recording. So G sensor means that means in case of a sudden accident or sudden collision, using the sensor, this dash camera will lock down the related type video. That video will not be overlapped because of this G sensor. That means this dash camera will be recognized an accident occasion, sudden occasion. That is very useful in this G sensor. And the loop recording means if nothing happens, the recorded videos will be overwritten again and again. So when you are buying a dash camera, I will tell you at the end what are the important facts that you must consider. Right? Okay, here also the same things, and we can see some other product specifications. Hope you can see. I will select 1 or 2, 3 things for your information. So this has a battery, built-in battery around 300 milliampere. That is very useful. That means we can assume that this dash camera should have a parking mode. When the car is off, when the car engine is turned off, this camera will be record the parking mode inside and outside. Right? That is very important. That is very useful when you are going to buy a dash camera for your vehicle. And you have to select built-in stereo and mic supported. That means this dash camera have a mic, built-in mic. Everything noise will be recorded. And memory card that you should consider maximum up to 32 GB. When you are selecting a SD card for your dash camera, you have to insert the memory card according to the given format, TF, maximum 32 GB, and the photo format JPEG. And there are other things you must consider, and the motion detection function, and automatically power on off. That means supported auto ignition boot, turn off, shut down, and everything, and continuous loop video. And other thing you must consider when you are buying a dash camera, the recording video format and the 5 megapixels camera you should consider, and the multi-language Russian, Japanese, English, Chinese, and those things. And the very most important thing is that the covering angle. Right here you can see 170 degrees plus A+ grade high resolution ultra wide angle lens. That is very much useful for dash camera. When the degree is higher and higher, you can cover very large area in your road, including your vehicle parts. Right, so G sensor is, I have explained already. In car accident, case of emergency, save and will not be deleted. The recorded video will not be deleted using this G sensor. And the program is Umbrella. You can search for more specifications about the program. Okay, so those are the things that we can get from the box details. And okay, I'm going to unbox it. You can see what are the things inside this box. I will show you when I connected this dash camera into my car. I will make another video for you how to join this dash camera for my vehicle. So I am going to remove these things. Right, here are the things which comes with this dash camera. So let's see. Okay, this should be the camera. Sticker available, even though there is scratches, it doesn't matter. We have the sticker available in the glass. And you can see the selfie camera. That means this camera will be used to record outside from the inside of the car, right? And also here is the 170 degree of camera, front camera. You can see we can adjust according to our preference. You have to select the position, and I just hope you can see the available buttons. I hope there are 5 buttons. Hope you can clearly see the available buttons, and SD card port here, and the cable port, and the other thing, jack, 3.5mm jack. And this has a 300 milliampere built-in camera which I have included into this. So let's keep aside this and let's see what are the other things. So this should be the rear camera. I think around 6 meters long wire. Let's unpack it. I just want to show you the things. If you are going to buy this kind of camera, check the description section below for the links where you can buy this kind of dash camera. So some screws to join the rear camera. So this should be the rear camera. Hope you can see. This is the rear camera, and 6 meters long wire, and the available jacks with the wire. And the other thing is the main power supply. Hope you know about this one. This is the cigarette lighter. You have to connect this cigarette lighter into your lighter port in your camera, in your car, and you have to connect this cable here. Easily you can use the front camera by yourself. No need for specialized skilled persons. Join this one into your cigarette lighter port and connect like this one. You can see. I will make another video when I'm going to use this dash camera in the near future. So you can use this dash camera like this, but you will need to have a specialized skilled person to set up this rear camera. That means this one, rear camera. That is because we have to hide the wires. We have to drag the wires within the carpets and the borders, rubber borders of the car. So you will need a specialized skilled person to set up this rear camera. And there is some other things. That's all. So this is the last part which comes with the box. Let's see. This is the suction cup. This is the suction cup. You have to use this suction cup into your rear windshield, rear glass, not the rear glass, front glass, windscreen. You have to set it up like this one, and you can connect using this suction cup and dash camera together, right? Okay, I will summarize what you should think about, what you should think when you are going to buy a dash camera for your vehicle. You have to decide, the very first thing is that you have to decide the wide angle, the angle of the camera, how much area will be covered by your dash camera, and available channels. That means rear view, front view, and the inside view. And the dash camera should have built-in battery, built-in mic, and also the other thing is that the micro SD card, how much the capacity micro SD card should be, right? And if you can think about the night vision, you can, if you can afford more money on your dash camera, you should consider that factor also, the night vision and the motion detection. And the other thing is that G sensor, that means an accident moment, the related video will be locked out. So those are the things that I want to discuss with you, and I wanted to show you today because I recently brought this video DVR for my vehicle. So I will be back with another video related to this dash camera, how I'm going to fix this in my camera, and some other video samples in the near future. And hope you enjoyed this video, hope you learned something new, hope you saw something new. And if you have anything to ask, please comment on the comment section. I will be right here to reply for you. And please share this video with your friends and comment in the comment section. Like this video if you like this video, and please remember to subscribe for my channel. I will be back with a new video soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.